Hi guys, it's Anka from Silk, and today I have an unboxing of Mi Basic in-ear earphones from me.com. Let's receive this package. Alright, so without further ado, let's open this package. You can see I already opened the package just to save my time. So this is the box. Here we have the invoice, description, the earphone itself, me. So let's take this off. Earbuds. Let me open this up. Here we go. Thank God it's got flat cables. 3.5 mm jack. Control talk. The earphone itself. In earbuds. Let's check this up. Here we have all different sizes of earbuds. Here we go. Let's get this buzz all inside. And let me quickly try it on. Volume is at max. Basic edition. Go to top box line. Alright guys, so this was the quick unboxing of Mi in-ear basic earphones. If you guys like the video, please do hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.